Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me an Isuzu Super Hi-Decker bus. So as you can see, it's number 41 with Tommy, and you can see the bus with all its details on the front. So for the bottom, warning label. For the top, just some facts about Tomica. And for the back, we can see it's made in 1999. Yes, made in China. And over here, number 41. And the name in Japanese. So let's take a look at the bus. So as you can see, just like the box, we have Super Deluxe Salon, or something like that, Salon, on the side. So anyway, it's on a blue background, even though this entire blue side is just a sticker. So this original blue, this is the paintwork at the back. And the number plate of, let me take a look, .41. So it's actually one of the cars where they matched up the number plate on the bus with the number the number on the box. So anyway, for the other side, he has the same blue sticker, Super Deluxe Salon, with looks like some kind of large triangle, starting from white, continuing to yellow, and then the larger square in orange. So you have very nice 3 of those on this side as well as 3 on the other side. So yes, also 5 studded chrome wheels in silver, and you can see the glass on this, the plastic on this bus isn't exactly transparent or transparent black. It is light purple. I mean, yeah, if you see through the plastic, which goes like all the way around the bus, it's light purple. So yeah, that's kind of cool for a Tomica car, because they don't really do that anymore. Anyway, inside we can see a supporting pillar right in the center of the bus, which looks quite annoying from head on. Well, anyway, I guess they had to put in there to reinforce the roof. So yeah, it is quite strong. Oh yeah, there's one more at the back over here. Maybe, yeah, you can see it from here. So, the interior color is quite hard to tell, but it looks to be, a blue color matching the blue at the back. So yes, you can have another view from the back and rear bumper and our front bumper. So on the base, you can see 1988 Tommy Isuzu Super Hi-Decker bus, number 41, 1 to 145 scale. So this one has not much details on the bottom. 2 rivets, one at the front, one at the back. And here, made in China. So yeah, overall, really nice bus. Top view, yes, perfectly white. And, just to note, there are 2 little dots at the front. I don't really know what they're for. Oh, wait, well, there's 2 more at the back. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. And thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.